Hey everyone, Matthew here at the Altafiber store in Kenwood for another glorious unboxing. What do we have here? The new MacBook Air M2 chip. Version we're going to carry is the 8 gigabit and 256 storage drive. Very excited to open this one up to see what the differences are between the M1 and M2. It is filled with tons of stuff. Got the computer, pretty lightweight. A lot of plastic all over the place. Very thin, as you can see. It does have two Thunderbolt ports on the side. One update is that the charger, which is right here, doesn't actually take up a Thunderbolt port, which is kind of nice, so you can keep some accessories there. It does have a 3.5 millimeter jack on the side, and is, you know, your typical sleek, not much to it, Apple design. Like I said, the charger here, you can do the Thunderbolt. Also has a USB-C. We've got our manual here that's super simple to get out, as well as the power brick. You know, some things with the M2 versus the M1 that are kind of great with this, it does have an upgraded graphic card. It's a 35% better graphics and 18% faster CPU, so it's definitely faster to use than the M1. Retails for $11.99. You can get it for on your bill up to 24 months for under $50 this Christmas season. If you're looking for a great gift, stop into one of our local Altafiber stores and see if you qualify to bill this to your account, or you can pay in full. Again, the MacBook Air M2 now in stores. Come check it out.